Hi everyone, this is Fuji Open, Rookie Division. This was a pretty hard tournament. You had to be precise and a lot of scores were very close, so it was very hard to play. But played this tournament over a week ago and my notes are pretty bad here, and so I'm going to have to start doing my video a little bit earlier as I still have the holes fresh in my mind, but I'll try to do my best and explain what I did here. So with this first hole here, it's a par 3 hole, and I believe that I played it with 20% elevation. So you add 20% to the wind adjustment here. So 3.3 wind plus 20%, and that'll give you the certain amount of rings you have to move your target with the Goliath. And I chose to use the Goliath here because of the accuracy. The accuracy was lower, therefore you don't have to move the target as far. And how I played this shot, I believe, is I played it so that the white target was touching the fringe. And how I played this shot is, this shot here is a delicate shot. What you have to do is basically look at the squares in the green, and you have to look at where your ball is going to bounce. But by placing the white part of your target, the front part of it, right up where the fringe begins, that's pretty much going to decide on where your bounce is going to be on the green. But other than that, moving your target west or east, it can decide on what square on that green you have to put that ball guide, because this hole tends to funnel from left to right. So I believe there's a dark square to the left of the hole, and I have my ball guide just on the edge of it, and I believe I give it around 2.5 or 2.25 backspin, and I'll also give it one left spin, and that's 20% once again. And it all depends on what the wind is, how the wind plays here. The wind is a deciding factor on how much side spin you have to put on the ball, and how much backspin as well. If you got a tailwind, you're going to have to use more backspin. But I find this particular green, you always look for the squares in the green and you try to aim for a certain spot. And if that spot don't work, the next time you play the hole, you mark it down and you move it. You move it a little bit left or right or up or down in order to find the spot that works the best for you. But that's how I played this hole. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on hole 2.